Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Notion CRM from scratch. A CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, helps you organize contacts, track leads, manage deals, and keep all your client information in one place. So let's get started. First, open Notion and sign into your account. From the left sidebar, click Add a Page to create a new page. Give your page a name, such as CRM. Now create a new database by typing /table and selecting Table Full Page. Use the Name column for your client or company names. Next, add properties such as status, company, email, phone, last contacted, next follow-up, and deal value. You can customize each property by choosing the appropriate field type, such as text, select, date, or number. Now start adding your contacts and updating their information. To organize your CRM, create different views like table, board, or calendar so you can track deals and follow-ups more easily. If you work with a team, click the Share button to invite collaborators and manage permissions. As you gain new clients, simply add them to your database and keep their information updated. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Notion CRM from scratch. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Notion tips, productivity tutorials, and workspace organization guides. See you in the next video.